So what that would enable those young folks, those young entrepreneurs to do who are just starting out is go at 100x, not 1x, and not even 10x. But you get the upside of participating when your hard-earned work actually helps somebody else take a much shorter path to success. And the good thing is you can do it over and over. Fire. The second part comes into play of the concept. So the first part is monetizing your experience. We've outlined that. Now you get to divorce the convention. There's one thing I recognize when I put this all together. That is that the awareness that you've already paid for all of your cost of goods over the last 25 years in this industry. Now you get to reap the reward. Oh yeah, in that regular business, the one that you've been in for 25 or 30 years, sure, if you would help others come in and run it the day to day, you may want to retain it. Or as we talked about, you may be at the top of that mountain. It's a good time to sell. But if you exit, one thing you don't have to be concerned about is being or losing that spark. You're able to, and you have already evolved. You now are monetizing your experience and you've divorced the convention. So sure, you can go play golf. You can do a lot of travel. Now you get to do it on your own terms, and you also get to participate in many other success. So I hope this has been helpful. If you're an entrepreneur who's along your own journey and likes to think about your journey this particular way and maximize all that effort that you're putting in and understand that there is a better way, that you don't have to continue running on that hamster wheel, check us out at the Seeds Bar Collab. Thanks for stopping by.